Alright, now Samsung has fixed a very important issue which we all faced for a quite long time now. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Now this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, this is on One UI 6.0, and this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra on One UI 6.1. Now let me go to the phone application and tap on Recents. Now you see we have got this missed call indicator here in red. Now this red indicator or this red icon helps us to instantly see the missed call on the recent phone list. As you can see, all these are in a red color. Now that's very important for me because I make a lot of calls. I'm into sales and marketing. I get a lot of calls. I make a lot of calls. So whenever I miss some calls, I need to see instantly whenever I go to the Recents tab. It will be very easy for me to see these missed calls here. However, on One UI, when we apply color palettes, this red indicator will not be in red. The color palettes will get applied to that. Now let me show you. I'll just press and hold on the home screen, tap on Wallpaper and Style, and I'll go to Color Palette, and I'll enable one of the color palettes here, and I'll tap on Apply. Now let's go to Phone Application. Now you see when I tap on Recents, all these missed calls do not have this red indicator. As you can see, it becomes very difficult to figure out the missed calls here because all these icons look alike. Of course, if you can look at it closely, you will be able to figure out the missed calls. But for me personally, this has been an issue. I always wanted to apply the color palettes on the phone, but because of this missed call alert issue, I rarely applied color palettes on the phone. But now on the One UI 6.1, Samsung has fixed this issue. Now here I have not applied the color palettes yet. Let me open the phone application and go to the Recents. You see we have got these missed call indicators here, which I can clearly see without the color palettes. Now let me press and hold on the home screen, tap on Wallpaper and Style, tap on Color Palette, enable the color palettes, and I'll just apply this color palette here. Now here I have applied the green color palettes. Now let's open the phone application, tap on Recent, and here it is. You can see even after applying the color palettes, these missed calls are in red, whereas in the previous versions, the previous version of One UI, we do not have that red indicator here. Now this becomes very easy for me to figure out the missed calls, and I always had an issue with the color palettes as far as the missed calls are concerned, missed call indicators are concerned, and I'm not sure whether this bothers you guys as well or not, but Samsung has finally addressed this issue, which is very important, at least for me and maybe some of you guys out there. Now let me know, what do you think? Have you ever faced this issue on your One UI, on your Samsung Galaxy phones? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts about this change in the comment section below. That's all I want to share with you guys. In the next video, I will be talking about all the non-AI features which are coming to the Galaxy S23 series and S22 series on One UI 6.1. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming up very soon, and be sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, if you find this informational, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. My name is Sali. I'm signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.